Welcome to Windows Fixer, the place where we troubleshoot errors, optimize performance, and keep your Windows system running smoothly. Let's get straight into today's issue. Why does Epson Scan cannot communicate with the scanner? Error happen? When this error occurs, it prevents users from scanning documents even though the scanner appears connected. This happens because the computer cannot properly communicate with the scanner, often due to setup or connection issues. The most common cause is outdated or missing drivers. Other possible reasons include incorrect network settings, firewall restrictions, or USB connection problems. Here's how you can fix it. Run scanner software with administrative privileges. Giving the scanner software administrative rights can help bypass system restrictions that might be preventing it from accessing necessary resources. Press Windows plus S to open the search bar, then type the program you want to run as an administrator, like Epson Scan. Right-click on Epson Scan and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. You can also try compatibility mode if needed. Then click Apply to save changes and close the window. Turn off your scanner, disconnect the USB or network cable, wait a few minutes, then set it up again. Try scanning to see if the issue is resolved. Switch to USB cable connection. Try connecting the scanner using a direct USB cable instead of Wi-Fi, or check your router's device list to see if it's recognized on the network. If it's not listed, reconnecting it might help. Also, if you're using a long USB cable, switch to a shorter, high-quality one to avoid data loss or interference that could affect communication with the scanner. Restart Shell Hardware Detection. The Shell Hardware Detection service helps Windows recognize external devices like scanners. Restarting it can help resolve detection issues. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to Shell Hardware Detection, right-click it, and select Properties. Ensure the startup type is set to Automatic. Close the window, then right-click the service again and select Restart. Unplug your scanner, wait a few minutes, then reconnect it. For better results, repeat this process for the Windows Image Acquisition (WIA) service as well. Turn off password-protected sharing. Password-protected sharing can block scanner access over the network. Disabling this feature can allow the scanner to connect more easily. Press Windows plus S, type Advanced Sharing, and open the application. Under the Private section, select Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Repeat this for guest or public networks. Scroll to All Networks and select Turn off Password Protected Sharing. Click Save Changes, then disconnect and reconnect your scanner to check if it works properly. Change from LPT1 to USB 001 Virtual Printer Port. If your scanner is using an outdated LPT1 port, switching it to USB 001 might resolve the issue. Press Windows plus R, type control.exe, and press Enter to open the control panel. In the top right drop-down, select Large Icons, then click Devices and Printers. Right-click your scanner and choose Properties. Go to the Ports tab and switch from LPT1 to USB 001. Unplug the scanner, wait a few minutes, then reconnect it and check if the issue is fixed. Reset Windows Image Acquisition WIA Service. The Windows Image Acquisition WIA service is essential for scanning operations. Restarting it can often fix communication issues. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll to Windows Image Acquisition, right-click it, and select Restart. Unplug your scanner, wait a few minutes, then plug it back in. Try scanning to see if the issue is resolved. Update scanner drivers. If none of the previous solutions work, updating the scanner drivers might help. Outdated drivers can prevent proper communication between your computer and the scanner, causing errors. Press Windows plus R, type dvmgmt.msc, and press Enter to open Device Manager. Expand Imaging Devices, right-click your scanner and select Update Driver. If your scanner is built into a printer, check under Print Queues instead. Restart your computer and check if the scanner works properly. That's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Fixer for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one.